It's 8 AM and we're in Geneva. No, we're not. We're in Flaine. So we're in March now, 2 days after Gina's birthday, and we've made it into Flaine for another wicked boarding holiday. Flew to Geneva yesterday, got a transfer, got here about sort of 9 o'clock, and yeah, now 6 days on the slope. Just finished a spa lunch and a beer, got the Jarvis, and time to hit some slope. We're on our way down from the highest point of the Flaine ski area.
No, it's ice. Go on, belly down. Belly down.
Push him in, push him in.
Push him in.
Is he lying down in it?
Yeah, he's not.
What day are we on?
Day 2.
Woo! We're stuck on a chairlift.
Let me clean it. Look, let me clean it.
First time on a chairlift as a 4. First time trying to get off.
As a 4?
As a 4. This is going to be interesting.
Ow, I butted it. Stay on board. Stay on board, Dad.
Yeah, I can't. No way did that actually work. Oh no. That was going so well. Off to the very top. Just finished spa lunch, came to the top of the mountain, flew the drone, and now we're on our way down a nice long road. Twisted.
Hands are doing. Oh, breeze is on.
I think we should sound Flaine in 3, 2, 1, ready? 3, 2, 1. Flaine!
I love that move.